Hello guys, what is going on? So today, Joel's brought his Corsa around because he wants to spray his brake calipers red. He's got some paint, so we're pretty much just going to take the wheels off, jack it up. We're probably going to leave the calipers on the car to paint them just because it's easier, not a lot of hassle. But let's get to it. To keep the calipers ready to paint, you first need to clean them up. And to do this, we used a wire brush, some brake cleaner and some sandpaper. This helped us remove most of the dirt and rust on the surface of the calipers, allowing a good surface to paint onto. Once this is done, we were able to mask up the calipers using some tape, and we'll use some bin bags to ensure no paint got on any of the bodywork or suspension parts surrounding the caliper. So there we go, we just finished the back two calipers and they look pretty good, to be fair. We did get a slight run in this one over here, but it's so unnoticeable, it's not too bad. But we're running out of time for today, so we're going to call it a day here. We're probably going to do the front another day, but I'll show you how these look anyway, just to show you how they look. So it's a couple of weeks later now. Well, we've got the backs done, as you saw, and today we're going to be doing the fronts. So we're going to jack it up, but take off the wheels, clean up the calipers and start spraying those. Oh, this bottle is crap.
Huh?
It started leaking out the handle now.
What? Out the handle?
Out the handle. What the hell?
That's crazy.
It's not even squirting. I was going to pour it on. So I prepped up the first caliper with marks all around it. Put lots of bin bags around it. And we're now going to give this one a coat of paint, and then we'll mask up the other one and give that one a coat of paint as well. So there you go, the calipers are all painted now, and they actually look really smart. They've turned out really well, even though Joel actually did smudge the one on one side, but we fixed that. It worked pretty well. I'll show you what they look like, and I'll see you in the next video.